So on next island, there's a mission called Sebastian finds, which you kill 200 village boss any level, and you gain Elysian tech chips once you complete the mission. I've heard rumors that if you do this mission and swunt the entire time, you will profit. So I went to next island to check it out for myself. I made a spreadsheet of my results. I only did it for 9 days, so take my results as a pinch of salt, because it is not a big enough data pool to get accurate information. I would actually dismiss this information if it's less than 100 days, because I think it's such a small data sample. But this is what I found during my small amount of days, since I don't want to stay there full time and carry on doing this mission for about a year plus to get a more accurate data sample. So this is my spreadsheet. I marked down I tracked the decay of the amp I used, which was from the gold and platinum starter pack. I did not use a V laser from a platinum starter pack. I just used the amp combined with the TT gun, which is a pistol from the trade terminal. I tracked also the ammo used and the loot return. So, well, like a majority of mobs on Entropia, 1 sweat equals 1 HP. So completing this mission, because the boss tend to help if you kill level 1s, which I only kill level 1s. I don't see any point going higher just to do this daily, because less pets spent, since the chip DT value doesn't go up depending on which level mob you kill. Each bar drops 10 sweat, times up by 200 at the end of swunting. If you go down that route, you gain 2000 sweat. On the data, I mark down any times I leveled up during the hunt, either through the challenge or meta codex. I also mark down if any of the hunts I accidentally killed a different mob than just the bar, just in case it tampered with the data. Luckily, it only happened twice, and it was only like 1 or 2 mobs I killed by accident during the 200 kills. Technically, if we want accurate data, I should actually dismiss that data, but here we are. So during the 9 hunts, I averaged just over a 5.5 pet loss, which equaled 0.626 pet loss on each hunt. Out of all the hunts, it averaged out 8.1458 pet spent on ammo to complete the daily per day, with a decay of 0.268 ped on the gun and amp, so way less than a 10% loss. When you combine it with the sweat, you will actually profit. Not sure if I just had a good run over 9 days, or this is actually very accurate data of what you normally receive. But the sweat would cover the loss completely and give you profit, never mind the markup of the items, which I'm only talking about TT value in all these ped losses. Technically, with the 2000 sweat, what you get, it actually makes this mission very worthwhile if you have the time to do that. But even if you're just hunting, it still works out less than a 10% loss. Out of all the loot that I got from the mission, I would say the chips are where the markup is, but it fluctuates quite a lot throughout the year. But it's something to keep an eye on.